Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best mini dirt bike on Amazon. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 5 we have Razor Mini Dirt Bike. It is powered by a 650 watt high torque variable speed chain driven motor that delivers electrifying fun. Its rechargeable 36-volt sealed lead-acid battery system provides up to 40 minutes of continuous use, while also building comfort, confidence and control. The Razor Dirt Rocket MX500 electric dirt bike has 16-inch front and 14-inch rear pneumatic tires that help soften out rough surfaces for a smooth ride and folding metal foot pegs. At number 4 we have Razor MX350 Mini Dirt Bike, the perfect start for the next generation of motocross riders. The Razor MX350 Dirt Rocket combines top-notch electric-powered performance with true-to-life motocross. It's designed to help riders 13+ take their off-road adventures up a notch. The MX350 scales down the dirt bike to size for riders ages 13+ and up to 140 pounds. This high-torque rear-wheel chain drive delivers increased power and traction. At number 3 we have Razor SX500 Mini Dirt Bike. The SX500 McGrath features authentic McGrath graphics and fairing design. This genuine dirt bike has frame geometry and a high-torque variable speed motor. It features dual suspension and riser handlebars, large pneumatic knobby tires, retractable kickstand, and hand-operated dual disc brakes. It carries riders at speeds of up to 15 miles per hour with 40 minutes of continuous use. At number 2 we have X-Pro Mini Dirt Bike. This dirt bike comes with powerful high-torque 2-stroke 50cc air-cooled engine. It is designed to prevent overheating. Its multiple colors choices comes with stylish design. The rider will catch everyone's eyes in the neighborhoods. You can choose the dirt bike as an irreplaceable companion to accompany children's growth. It's enhanced their independence and coordination in play and joy. At number 1 we have X-Pro 110cc Mini Dirt Bike. This semi-automatic transmission is the perfect setup. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best mini dirt bike on Amazon for your need.